Yeah, nation people. Right now the world boss come out and say for the internet artists them, he make them know him no buy views, him no go get gift card settings, him no go chump up like when a holiday and your youth and man a chump up money for run boat. The world boss them no deal with none of them settings. Then no gimmicks not the United Nation too. Now from the world boss come out and say that my sister man and go like so well then a headache them a have a heart here. Yo, no lie has been told, you know. That's why I say nation people, the general never tell no lie. You know what I mean? The general we are big and exposed to the world and I trample the dancehall fraternity long before www.com. I don't know gimmicks business. That's what I say. Just remember, you know, say all of them people here we used to eat up on the roadside and sell a certain type of business. Just remember, you know, enough people never even know say that go on till the general say www.com cock it up online. For the teacher from borderline. Girl wine for me. Now gimmicks business not dead about it. Eh? So I don't know what some man have big headache and heartache about and a certain type of jockstrap sniffer me should come out and claim him want create all kind of fuckery on the general name. I'm after just a laugh and I say look at that. Yeah, nation people. You know when we are stepping on a concrete way, you know. But we are concrete step on, you know. And anything shaky, you know. When we are stepping on, it bone forget broke off, you know. We not laugh with it. You know what I mean? But here we are going right now. At the world it's not a plan. That's what you are going, you know. Carefully, you know. A franchise, the chosen one. The 10-star general. I don't know what's going on. When I come for represent, you know, full effective man. I don't know what go. When I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you know a loud explosion about it. Watch me, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite, most definitely. Watch me, the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. Watch. The nation people, the jockstrap sniffing fanboy with name CV, him run out and claim say. Oh, claim say, oh, because him busy with work, why him no run torture, cause torture him torture people, nation people. You believe this guy? Cause this guy look like him is a born fanatic. They think Vybz Kartel business is the way CV want say from where him now want say. They think Vybz Kartel care about CV opinion. Eh? This guy really elude himself and thinks that him is somebody what him is not. Vybz Kartel no care where you want to say my brother. You know what I mean? And in a real life, by looking upon that, me not think nobody care. You know what I mean?
Like you're a dusty ass slut. Like I'm tired of this bitch, yo. She's that manipulative. She's got the whole building focused.
Yeah.
The bitch will shut the fuck up. I'm just like, yo, this is Sandy. I'm trying to
What's up, brother? Yeah. This is what I say. I say it again, nation people. You know think the world boss care what this guy want to say? You think the world boss listen to this fanatic? Eh? You think the world boss listen to that jockstrap sniffing fan boy there? Eh? Most gimmicks business in another pond, man. You know what I mean? For real. The boy draw from pen and paper. Say I got pen and paper settings. Say accountants thing him a deal with. You see me? Run up on the world boss name. Claim him a check out views. You know what I mean, for the year. To see how much the world boss earn. To prove it to people. Say him want to say Alkaline earn more money than the man. You see what I say? So him gonna check out the man views and them shit. The NSC said this guy is a lunatic. He's a born fanatic. You know what I mean? Oh, if you know, not at all about the world boss earnings. Eh? You know how much business him have run? Who the guy that feel like him talk to her, who him impress? And I act like you're intelligent. Just you're nothing but a bitch, my brother. A bitchy thing you go around and do. You know what I mean?
Why would it?
Straight bitchy thing you go around and do, my brother. Get a pack of Marlboro. You see what I say?
That's weird.
That's all you go around and do and think you sound good. You know what I mean? Respect. You sound like a prostitute, my brother. That's all you sound. You never sound like a man. Because I want to know which man go on. You see what I say? More you know which man. I don't know what go on. And I talk about if. A real man you bring that to. You try to compare yourself with another man, my brother. You have to be a shishki bag, you know. Man, you can't compare yourself with another man. And if you was this man, what you would have do? And if you was this or that, you sound like a faggot, my brother. You see what I say? You can't know how much money the world boss make, how much the money world boss gain a week, monthly, daily, yearly, nothing at all. You sound like a born pussy hole, my brother. I say you sound. You can't violate the world boss in no way, no farm at all. Because what the man I said, the man not tell no bumper life. The man not deal with buy view business. And all the views you now buy on still blood clot local. Nobody still not hear for no. You know sparks. How long you in the business you can't upgrade from local to international. Eh? And then when time the man chat, you know, rise up all type of different type of fucker. And I go like say you don't have a point. You don't have no point, you know, my brother. You sound like a crutches plus satches, you know. That's what I say. And that I want you to know. So all you go like you rise up and feel like you have a point. You don't have no point. You sound like a crutches plus satches. First easy. You cannot know how much money the world boss make. Not even for a single blood clot day or a minute. You cannot know. You see what I say? So all when you talk and I try to impress, you sound like a pussy hole. You see what I say? And that's why you're the real man not do that. You see what I deal with? You see me worry about yourself, how much money you will make. You see what I deal with? Because this a dancehall. So when you talk about money business and them shit there, the man I talk about dancehall and dancehall music. And the facts still remain. Make hear all you want chat. The facts remain. Your artist is no fucking artist at all to the world boss. Nowhere at all in the world, both locally and internationally. So go suck out yourself, boy. You see what I say? Or bend down and blow yourself. Or the general, you know, the 10-star one I represent. What? Gaza way. There ain't no other way. A 10-star general. Watch.